Welcome to Roundup of the top 5 best pegboard tool organizers of 2026, the ultimate lineup for workshops, garages, and hobby spaces where organization meets efficiency. Whether you're a mechanic, a woodworker, or a DIY enthusiast, these pegboard systems combine durability, versatility, and smart storage solutions. Today's models feature heavy-duty hooks, bins, shelves, and modular designs, giving you the confidence to keep tools accessible and neatly arranged. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect pegboard organizer for your workspace. Check the description for the latest deals. And let's dive into the best workshop storage systems of 2026. Kicking things off with the Fermuni 80-piece pegboard tool organizer. The Fermuni 80-piece pegboard tool organizer is the compact champion designed for everyday workshops. With 80 pieces included, it offers a wide range of hooks, bins, and holders to keep tools neatly arranged. I love how its heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability, while the powder-coated finish resists corrosion. Its universal fit makes it compatible with most pegboards, while the variety of accessories adds flexibility. The organized layout saves time during projects, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Fermuni attractive is its balance of practicality and performance. It's strong enough for routine use, yet versatile enough for different tool collections. For anyone who wants a reliable starter kit, the Fermuni 80-piece pegboard tool organizer is a smart pick. Coming in next is the G.CORE 12-pack pegboard bins. The G.CORE 12-pack pegboard bins is the multitasking marvel designed for small parts and accessories. With 12 durable bins included, it's perfect for organizing screws, nails, bolts, and other hardware. I appreciate its sturdy plastic construction, which ensures long-term reliability. Its compact design makes it suitable for smaller pegboards, while the transparent bins allow easy identification of contents. The snap-fit design ensures secure attachment, and the lightweight build makes installation simple. What makes G.CORE stand out is its focus on small parts. It's perfect for professionals who want quick access to hardware during projects. For anyone who values organization and convenience, the G.CORE 12-pack pegboard bins is a fantastic option. Turning our attention to the ELEAD 260-piece pegboard tool organizer. The ELEAD 260-piece pegboard tool organizer is the professional powerhouse built for serious workshops. With 260 pieces included, it delivers comprehensive storage for tools, accessories, and hardware. I love how its heavy-duty steel hooks and bins ensure durability, while the powder-coated finish adds reliability. Its sturdy case keeps everything organized, while the clearly marked sizes make identification simple. The ergonomic design adds comfort, and the durable build ensures long-term performance. What makes ELEAD attractive is its professional-grade quality. It's trusted by mechanics and craftsmen for dependable results. For anyone who wants a complete solution, the ELEAD 260-piece pegboard tool organizer is a must-have. Let's check out the Spamper Pegboard Wall Organizer. The Spamper Pegboard Wall Organizer is the stylish option that blends modern design with practical performance. With its modular panels, it allows customization for different tool collections. I appreciate its durable steel construction, which ensures strength and longevity. Its sleek design enhances any workshop, while the multiple hooks and bins add flexibility. The easy installation makes it suitable for garages and hobby spaces, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Spamper attractive is its focus on design. It's proof that pegboards can be both functional and stylish. For anyone who wants a wall organizer that looks as good as it performs, the Spamper Pegboard Wall Organizer is a delightful choice. Wrapping things up with the Danks 246 PCS Pegboard Organizer Bin. The Danks 246 PCS Pegboard Organizer Bin is the complete kit designed for serious organization. With 246 pieces included, it delivers flexibility for tools, accessories, and hardware. I love how its durable plastic bins and steel hooks ensure reliability, while the modular design adds versatility. Its compact design makes it suitable for different pegboards, while the organized layout saves time during projects. The affordable price makes it accessible, and the durable build ensures long-term performance. What makes Danks attractive is its value. It offers a comprehensive set without the premium price tag. For anyone who wants a complete solution, the Danks 246 PCS Pegboard Organizer Bin is a smart choice. All of these pegboard tool organizers bring something valuable to the table, depending on your workshop size and storage needs. The Fremuni 80-piece organizer is perfect for compact setups with versatile accessories. The G.CORE 12-pack bins offers specialized storage for small parts. The ELEAD 260-piece organizer delivers professional-grade performance with comprehensive coverage. The Spamper wall organizer emphasizes stylish design with modular panels. And the Danks 246 PCS organizer bin stands out as the complete option for serious organization. When choosing a pegboard tool organizer, it's important to consider material, number of pieces, compatibility, and design. Heavy-duty steel provides strength and durability, while plastic bins add convenience for small parts. Larger sets offer versatility, while compact designs suit everyday tasks. Modular panels allow customization, while sleek finishes enhance workshops. Budget-friendly models provide solid performance, while premium options deliver advanced features for professionals. That wraps up my top 5 best pegboard tool organizers of 2026. Whether you're a mechanic, a carpenter, or a DIY enthusiast, there's a perfect organizer here for you. These systems represent the best balance of strength, organization, and value, helping you keep tools accessible and neatly arranged. So, if you're ready to upgrade your workshop, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the organizer that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. With the right pegboard system, you'll enjoy better organization, stronger performance, and the satisfaction of a professional-looking workspace. Power up your projects, simplify your routine, and enjoy the confidence of working smarter every day.